Hey, pretty girl. What's up, Essence, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J Essence, and I'm back with a brand new video. So in this video, guys, you realize the setting is a little different, right? So we're actually at Miss Lily's some Skylark Beach restaurant resort thing. I'll definitely put the name right here. But yeah, out of town with the girls, right? So actually it's our annual gift exchange and stuff. Last year we did a picnic. This year we're at the beach, Outer Parish. We take a few shots on our way here, so I'll put a little picture right here. But yeah, it's really good vibe. And I'm going to show a look of pictures. But yes, guys, I'm wearing this little affordable or economical dress of Shein. Yes. A little dress off Shein, and it so happened that I had this back to go with it. Rihanna, right? So yes, so we're going to take a picture right now because darling, I have to take a picture. So we're going to get a picture taken right now. See y'all. All right, ready? Alright guys, so we're now changed. Alright, the girls are in their bathing suits and I am currently in my a 3-piece sunflower set that I posted recently on my business page, that is Essence Creations. Guys, please go ahead and follow the page to get all your custom made pieces, like you're saying, custom made pieces, guys. So follow the page. I'm gonna take some pictures now so I can post a picture now on the page, right, for y'all to see.
So yes, guys, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe.
But you're really outside, and then we'll go to the gift exchange. But I'm really liking this though. It's really cute. It's conservative. So if I like people on a conservative team. So these are the girls, Pop 5.
Hi.
My sisters before the misters.
Period.
Say hi, loves.
Hi.
Mwah.
Hi.
Make sure to take a hello, take a picture screenshot of it because
That was really cute.
Beautiful. That was so nice.
Yeah, take a little
Hello,
one.
pause. 5 seconds.
When the water's so blue. Alright, we're going to touch the water here now. Alright guys, so it's time for the gift exchange part of the vloggy vlog. You're the master and I'm not afraid to sin anymore. There's a peace running in my soul.
I think
I can't tell
I think You think I can't
Oh, you know, so double shot is a pixie.
Ready? Who want to go first?
Oh, you know, so I can't tell you. Oh, you know, so.
What's how it is then? No.
Oh, you know, so double shot is a pixie. No, oh, you know. Your spirit. Oh, it's a bit now. But I like the soup sitting on my girl.
No.
Abby, hey, the camera. Abby, get it now. What's that? No, oh, this one. Who's present?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we have to say, okay.
We can ask nothing small. So yeah, that's the only one. Have to.
Okay.
Small. You deserve nice things.
Here, Rod.
Everything I want.
You be getting alive. The blessings of the Lord upon you are favor. Follow you, my friend. And the goodness of the Lord shall rain down on you like a raging storm.
Amen.
Oh,
Thank you, darling. And the ring light is door. The ring light, uncle, guys. We'll get a ring light on the back. But the wrapping on point door. Love it. Uncle, dad. I want me to answer on this door. I'm not saying it's a ring light. Now, something else on this ring light. But I'm saying I'm the bag, you know. I'm the bag.
just take time.
Yeah.
Or if it's good.
Wow. Thank you. I kiss you. This is so sweet. Well, then I say you kind of did predict it from the get-go. I mean, I try to keep a look a straight face, but you know, I love you, girl, and I pray that this gift will serve you beautifully.
Oh, thank you.
My lover girl.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Shalala.
Hey loves, so I actually realized something while editing the video, and I realized that we actually sat in the order of each pixie, literally, because Abby was Dana's pixie, Alyssa was Abby's pixie, Acacia was Alyssa's pixie, I was Acacia's pixie, and Dana was my pixie. And it made me, be thinking that we literally sat in the order, not knowing that we were in the actual order. And it made me realize that sometimes, guys, we're right where we need to be, because everything is divinely orchestrated. God knows everything that is happening, and he allowed us to sit in the order, not knowing that we were in the order. It made me realize that sometimes we are stressing, sometimes we are wondering, sometimes, like a lot of thoughts are coming to us. But the fact of the matter is, guys, we are right where we need to be. So stop the worrying, stop the stressing, and just believe that you're right where you need to be. And God is leading you and directing you in where you should be. So don't need to worry anymore. You understand? So it's just a thought that I thought I could share, because honestly, I did realize that. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
She's a cup girly, and I got the color. Yes, sir.
Agree?
The green one.
So this is for work and the other one is for stay at home.
Yeah, girl.
For the collection.
Alright, guys, so that was the end of our exchange. It's always really sentimental when it comes to us and the exchange. We always try to like reconnect and see, just give a run through of the previous year and really just appreciate each other, because truly these are my girls, we go through a lot and they have dealt with different parts of me and have accepted me and have scolded me, and for that I can respect people who are genuinely honest. I may appreciate that. And not a lot of people would fancy me, honestly, because I talk the truth. I'm going to tell the things in. So I go up look at me, friend. But these girls have accepted me for who I am, and I really appreciate that. So they have all received their gifts and they're all happy about it, so we give thanks for that. But me really hot right now, and I feel like I want to touch the sea, so I need to go and touch the sea.
Nothing never know, nothing not the straight one feel like the liar one.
Yeah.
About 6 different Instagram pages.
Okay, supposed to have about 10 Instagram page.
Settle art.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, guys, so we're actually on a beach. There's a beach gym. It's really nice. Y'all should check it out or whatever. Yes, sir. Yeah. Over here. But the bodysuit here are giving out like it's really giving. Don't mind, this is the underwear. But yeah. Yeah, literally. Literally at the gym for the mirror, because it's giving, okay? Just keep him up straight. Yeah, keep him up straight.
Go down. Keep a back straight. Your back not straight. No, you're upright, but your back straight. Wait, come on. Kind of like tilt. No, not put out, but tilt. So kind of, yes, we ever did? Yeah.
Well guys, the sunlight is really giving and I had to get a couple of videos cause why not? It's a video by the way. It's going in the vlog. Alright guys, so actually we just wash off. Well, I went to wash off. I understand why I smell so. Why I feel so, but wash off. I hope I'm not sick. But I wash off not too long ago. So I wash the bag them right now. The girls are wash off and a chain. So outside. Honestly, I feel like too much spray in our bathroom because the dog can't stink, you understand? I was kind of spraying, so I feel like that's really acting up my sinus right now. I went to my hair, so right now it's currently wet. I forget to put the salt water out of my hair, so that's what's going on right now. But to be very honest, today was really a good day. The girls are saying that they actually want to go to, I think, Chill Pops, and they will get something to eat. So stay tuned for that.
Mango passion fruit. Tastes more like passion fruit than mango. But it's mango passion.
Tastes good. Okay guys, so we're actually here at Chill Pops. Actually we're gonna close out the video right now because the day actually finished, but if you have stayed till the end to watch the video, I must say thank you so much for tuning in and staying to the end. I really appreciate it. It was a great day with the girls, always a good day, always a good time. So yes, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe, and until then I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, say bye to the vlog guys.
Bye!